Hi guys, welcome back to Panchita's Corner. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a cookie dip. This is super easy, great for parties, great for anything. Here we're going to need 3 of these containers. This is the vanilla Pillsbury. These ones we did get them at the Dollar Tree, so these are 10 ounces. So that is the reason why we got 3. But if you get the regular size container, then you only need 2. You're also going to need any kind of yogurt, vanilla yogurt. We're going to need half a cup of this. And you're going to need half a cup of Cool Whip. Any crackers, cookies that you guys like. We got these animal chocolate crackers. We also got the original. We got some teddy bear cookies. These are honey. And we also got the chocolate chip teddy. And we also got the chocolate chip. So whatever cookies you guys like, we got this little pretty container where we're going to be setting the cookie dip. Will go in here and we'll put the cookies on the side. I want to start off with the frosting. So because we're making a small batch, we're just going to mix it with the spoon. But if you make a big batch, I recommend getting your mixer out and mixing it that way. So it'll be much more easier for you. But because we're making a small batch, we're going to do this by hand.
And our last one.
The last one. Such a fun way to have for parties, for gatherings. Half a cup of any kind of yogurt that you have. We're going to use this vanilla kind, but any yogurt, vanilla works. Using this one, I like to mix the yogurt first. And we're going to be using half a cup of Cool Whip. We're going to be using half a cup of Cool Whip.
Just grab some Cool Whip, put it in your cup.
And goes the Cool Whip. Now what you want to do, you want to go ahead and mix all of this together. So I am mixing it by hand, but if you because I'm making a small batch, but if you end up making a bigger batch, I suggest getting your mixer and mixing it that way. As you can see,
it's getting into.
It's nice
and smooth.
There we go. Now you're going to be adding the sprinkles. This is the reason why I like to get the 3 packets from the Dollar Tree, because I get 3 packets of sprinkles compared to if I just buy 2 of the big tubs, and I will only get 2 packets of sprinkles. And if you want to change the sprinkles, you can always change the sprinkles depending on the holiday or whatever it is. And then we're going to put it into our dish. Take your crackers. You can also sprinkle any more sprinkles on here too.
Yeah, you can put any amount of sprinkles you want.
You take your cookies. You can put them in there.
And one.
And you can use whatever cookies, crackers you guys like.
Any crackers you guys can use. Doesn't matter. Now,
And there you have your cookie dip. So this is how it looks. You guys can. So this is how it looks. You guys can add whatever cookies, crackers you guys like, and then you can also sprinkle a little bit more sprinkles on top. And there is your cookie dip. What do you guys think about the dip?
I don't know, man. So you compare.
I'm gonna do a boomerang. Do something funny. One,
good?
2.
good?
Oh wait. Do you guys want to eat that or do something else in the boomerang?
I'm gonna eat this,
Okay.
bro.
On the marks. Get set.
Try it.
Go.
I'm gonna eat the whole package by itself.